Hello everyone, my name is Ketan Mittal and today we will be talking about the quarter one results of IndusInd Bank. So IndusInd Bank has declared their quarter one results for the current financial year, which is 2021-2022. So let's take a look at how the results have been for the bank. If you look at the net interest income has risen by 8% from 3,300 crores last year to 3,564 crores this year. The operating profit has gone up by 9% from 2,900 crores to close to 3,200 crores. If you look at the provisions is the money that the bank sets aside thinking that they might turn into net performing assets. So higher the provisions, higher is the chance that the bank would think that the loans would turn into NPA. But if you look at the provisions number for the year, that has actually gone down by 18% from 2,258 crores last year to 1,844 crores this year. If you look at the net profit, that has shown a 99% improvement over last year from 510 crores to 1,016 crores. Overall, the financial results look very healthy for IndusInd Bank. So let us also take a look at what is the asset quality of the bank. When I say asset quality, I mean what's the health metrics of the loans that the banks are giving out. Now, health quality of the loans is best judged by a metric, which is the NPAs. If you look at the NPAs number for last year, the number was at 0.86%, which means that out of all the loans that the bank was giving out, 0.86% were turning into NPAs. If you look at quarter 4 for financial year 2020-21, the number has reduced to 0.69%, whereas the current quarter shows an increase in that number from 0.69 to 0.84%. If you look at the quarter-on-quarter results, it has jumped from 0.69 to 0.84, while if you look at an year-on-year result, it has actually remained more or less similar from 0.86% to 0.84%. Now, the reason that I have marked the numbers in green and not as red, even though the numbers have actually increased on a quarter-on-quarter basis, is that if you compare these numbers with ICICI Bank or an Axis Bank or a Kotak Bank, these numbers are close to 1.2% for all those banks, whereas for IndusInd Bank, only 0.84% of all the loans are turning into NPAs. This actually tells us that the health of the loans is fairly good and not a good amount of loans are turning into NPAs. What this will ultimately result in is that it will impact their profitability because they're going to earn a higher amount of interest from the loans because they're not turning into NPAs. That's why even though the numbers have increased on a quarter-on-quarter basis, I strongly believe that IndusInd Bank is doing extremely good on its asset quality levels, as far as the net NPAs are concerned. Coming to the target price of IndusInd Bank, so the current market price is 971, which is as on 27th of July. As per me, the target price is 1,085, and I see that this number is likely to be achieved in the next 5 to 6 months, possibly before the end of this year, and that is an upside of 11.7% from the current levels. An upside of 11.7% in the next 5 to 6 months is by far a very strong growth, and given the performance of IndusInd Bank, I actually feel that this number can be achieved by the bank. That's it from my end. If you like the video and if you want more of such quality content, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.